Good evening, everybody. Dave Rupp reporting for Bangkok Media. It's approximately 1:35 in the morning, Sunday, the 30th of October, 2011. As you can see, we're standing in front of 380 Chang Road in the heart of Bangkok. And you can see the kiosks
right there.
Selling food, and people are acting very normal right now, as if nothing is going to happen. But trust me, ladies and gentlemen, within 24 hours, these streets will be a river of disaster. People be running, looking for water and food. And I'll be gone on my way to America. But my heart will speak loudly for the people of Bangkok. Thank you and good night. And any donations would be appreciated. You can send them to the Crab Shack Restaurant, 11400 Gandy Boulevard, St. Petersburg, Florida, 33702, in care of David Rupp. Thank you again.
Bangkok.
Bangkok Media.